Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a 60-second story on your Instagram. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Now first thing, in order to add story on your Instagram, you need to go to your story. You should see the your story option on your Instagram at the top. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this. So let's say I want to upload this 1 minute 54 second video on my story. I'm going to click on it. But I just want to upload the 60 second of this video. Now what I can do is, yes, you can upload 60-second video on your Instagram story, but if you want to go above that, you cannot. So as you guys can see, it has automatically selected 60 second of this clip. This is how much is going to be on my story. But now this is the place where you guys can choose which 60 second of this video you want, because this video is 1 minute 50 second long. So what I can do is, I can choose this part of the 60 second, the last 60 second. I can either choose the first 60 second or the last. How I did this is I just scrolled to the side like this. So if you want the middle section, scroll to the middle of the clip and the middle 60 second will be chosen, and the first part and the last part will automatically be cut out from your story. So choose which 60 second of the clip you want to use and just click on done at the top and click on the arrow at the bottom right of your screen and click on share. Once you do that, the 60 second will be uploaded on your Instagram. So that's how you guys can upload 60-second story on your Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step for future videos just like this related with Instagram. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.